Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the Vibing Star Seed. I'm your host, and we were doing chapter 15 of Bhagavad Gita. All right. Before this, I have posted two self reminder videos for all of you. Okay. So just go through them. Today, we are talking about this Purushottam Yoga. All right. So, chapter 15, verse 7. Let us start. So, verse 7 says, an eternal fragment of mind manifesting as Jiva. So, first of all, who is telling this? The Supreme Soul, alright? So, we are the Jivas and we are the eternal fragments of the Supreme Soul, alright? That is the living soul. We are living soul. He is the living soul, alright? So, we are the eternal fragments. And when we come to this earth, okay, when we take birth on this planet, what happens? The six senses, we drag them, okay? The six senses, okay? The mind, and the mind rests in the Prakriti. Prakriti is with Mother Nature, right? Our mind rests in the Prakriti, all right? And what does it mean? The ultimate truth is that the Jivatma is always an integral part of the Paramatma. So the Jivatma, that is the soul, okay? हम किसका पार्ट हैं, किसका इंटीग्रल पार्ट हैं? हम द सुप्रीम सोल, दैट इज द परमात्मा, उनका पार्ट है, उनका इटर्नल फ्रेगमेंट है हम सब, ओके? और जब हम इधर आते हैं तो हम क्या लाते हैं अपने साथ? वी ड्रैग डाउन द सिक्स सेंसेस इंक्लूडिंग द माइंड which rest in the Prakriti. Prakriti is the Mother Nature, Mother Gaia. Alright? Now, the ultimate truth is that the Jivatma is always an integral part of the Paramatma. However, due to ignorance, the Jivatma falsely identifies itself with the Prakriti. However, due to ignorance, the Jivatma falsely identifies itself with the Prakriti. Okay, Prakriti is what? The Mother Nature, Mother Gaia. So the five senses and the mind emerge from Prakriti. And we falsely identify ourselves to be a part of this Mother Nature, but we are not the part of this Mother Nature. We are the part of the Supreme Soul. Alright? Because we emerged as eternal fragments, okay? And the Prakriti is temporary and the Supreme Soul is permanent, okay? Everlasting. And we are also everlasting, eternal fragments. Alright? So that's how we correlate with this concept. Presiding over the ears, the eyes, the organs of touch, taste, smell, and also the mind, it experiences the objects of the senses. Now, the Jiva, that is our higher self, अब मेरा higher self, okay, experience करता है इन objects को, okay, through its senses, alright? क्या experience करता है, alright? See, taste, smell, touch, and also the mind as well, alright? Now, the deluded neither can see the self when it resides and departs, nor when enjoying the sense objects under the influence of the gunas, okay? But those endowed with the eye of wisdom see it. Now, see, the Delululus, okay? Delululus को नहीं समझ में आएगा ये सब, alright? क्यों? Because this, see, they cannot see their self, alright, who are admixed. Admixed means जो बिल्कुल मिल गए हैं, जिनको लगता है कि हम मदर नेचर का पार्ट हैं, प्रकृति का पार्ट हैं, और हम सुप्रीम सोल, जिनको नहीं आता समझ में, ओके, कि सुप्रीम सोल कौन है, जिनका कनेक्शन नहीं है उनके साथ, उनको समझ में नहीं आएगा ये, क्योंकि उनको नहीं पता होगा कि हायर सेल्फ होता ही क्या है. सी बाय डिल्यूजनल, माइंड मीन्स हियर, डिल्यूजन मतलब हमारी पर्सपेक्टिव का डिल्यूजन, ओके, ना कि मैंने उस सेंस में बोला है डिल्यूजन, ओके? जिनका पर्सपेक्टिव टुवर्ड्स गॉड रियल नहीं है, दे आर डिल्यूजनल, ओके? ऑलराइट, नॉट अ जजमेंट, नॉट पासिंग अ जजमेंट, बट इन जनरल वे, yes, okay, this is the truth. Alright, but those endowed with the eye of wisdom see it, definitely, alright? So it resides and departs, nor when enjoying the sense objects under the influence of the gunas. See, वो सिर्फ reside करता है, alright, that perspective, alright, चाहे वो wise perspective हो, चाहे वो delusional perspective हो, that resides within our own subconscious mind, within our own higher self, all right? जिसने perceive कर लिया, well and good for them, okay? That's why some people, you know, go through initiation, जिनको अपना spiritual progress, अपना spirituality के path में चलना होता है आगे, all right? So उनको ज़्यादा, you know, correlate हो पाएगा, right? But अगर you are someone on a beginner level, then it's also correlatable, all right? Okay. So next verse is the yogis, okay? The yogis who strive for realization see the self existing in themselves. तो सबसे पहले रियलाइजेशन का पाथ जो लेते हैं, अब मैंने आपको जैसे बोला कि जो स्पिरिचुअल प्रोग्रेस का पाथ लेते हैं, ओके, और टैपिंग इनटू देयर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड, ओके, टू रियलाइज दिस हायर सेल्फ, टू कनेक्ट विद दिस हायर सेल्फ, दैट इज टैपिंग इनटू देयर सबकॉन्शियस माइंड. रियलाइजेशन क्या होता है उनको इस पाथ पे चल के कि हम ये बॉडी नहीं है. We are not this body. We are the eternal fragment. That is the जीवात्मा. That is the soul. हम वो हैं, okay? और ये जीवात्मा किसका पार्ट है? The supreme soul का पार्ट है, okay? Our heavenly Father. All right? But those who are ignorant and unrefined are unable to perceive. मैंने क्या बोला? वही ना, delusional किस चीज में बोल रहे हैं श्री कृष्णा यहाँ पे? वो इसी चीज में बोल रहे हैं कि जो लोग परसीव नहीं कर पाते ये चीज अपने हायर सेल्फ को, ओके, फिर उनको रियलाइजेशन नहीं हो पाएगा ना कि हम सोल हैं. दैट्स व्हाई सम पीपल से कि मैं कोरिलेट नहीं कर पाता या कर पाती, ओके, क्योंकि अभी उनको रियलाइजेशन नहीं हुआ है इस चीज का, ओके. वो पता है कब होगा? जब हम टैप इन कर जाएंगे अपना सबकॉन्शियस में, ऑलराइट? क्योंकि सी, एंड द मोस्ट important tool to tap in your subconscious mind is meditation, to be really honest, all right? So it even when they struggle to do so, कुछ लोग struggle भी करते हैं perceive करने के लिए कि ओके मुझे perceive करना है, मुझे भी realize करना है, but see, उसको ना आप struggle मत समझो, all right? क्योंकि इसमें टाइम लगता है, इसमें कंसिडरेट टाइम लगता है, इसमें लाइफ टाइम्स भी लग सकते हैं. टू बी रियली ऑनेस्ट, इट टोटली डिपेंड्स अपॉन योर कार्मिक अकाउंट, ओके. देखो, उसका मैं आपको कार्मिक अकाउंट का एक अलग से वीडियो में समझा दूंगी, ओके. आई विल मेक अ सेपरेट वीडियो फॉर दैट. बट राइट नाउ हमारा इसमें क्या मोटिव है समझने का, व्हाट इज द मेन मोटिव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस इज दैट the yogis who strive for realization see the self existing in themselves, okay. God consciousness is here, okay, here. So when we tap in here, our crown opens, okay. There is an activation of crown, that the crown chakra, okay, that is called crown chakra, and this is called the third eye chakra. So when this activates, okay, it goes to activate your crown chakra, okay. And जब आप यहाँ tap in कर जाते हो, आपका direct connection बन जाता है, okay. When you tap in here, you activate that direct connection with the God consciousness, and divine is literally with you everywhere. He is with you, but you know, to establish that connection, that's called self-realization, all right. When you realize that God and I were never separate. God was already here with me, sitting with me. Okay? When I was battling, He was already with me. Okay? So, आपका perception ना बिल्कुल change हो जाएगा उसके बाद जब आपको self realization हो जाएगा. Alright? Now verse 12, okay? Know that I am the brilliance of the sun, which illumines the whole world, and also the brightness of the moon and the fire. Wow. All right. So the Lord is telling, okay, the Most High God, He is telling us, देखो, I am that brilliance behind that sunshine, okay. क्योंकि किसने बनाया वो यूनिवर्स, किसने बनाया? He is the creator, right? We are the creation. See the correlation between the creator and the creation, and how it is related to today's, modern times content creation. I am the creator, and this video is my creation. That's called content creation. Okay? वी ऑल आर क्रिएटर्स, वी ऑल आर आर्टिस्ट, बट हमको नहीं पता क्योंकि हमारी कंडीशनिंग ही ऐसी हुई है, ऑल राइट, सोसाइटी में, सोसाइटी के हिसाब से, सोसाइटी के ट्रेडिशंस से, ओके, अकॉर्डिंग टू द ट्रेडिशनल सोसाइटल whatever traditions, कुछ भी बोलो आप, okay, but we all are creators because our father who created us is also the supreme creator, okay. हमारे अंदर creativity है, we all are creative beings, okay. It's all about के उसके अंदर tap in कौन कर जाता है. Now can you see the creator economy booming in India now? क्योंकि बच्चे अब they are willingly tapping into their creativity now, all right, willingly. हम सबके अंदर creativity है, it's just that कि हम उसमें tap in कब करते हैं. Timelines obviously differ, right? मेरी timeline आपकी timeline से differ करती है, okay? आपके creative skill set बहुत अलग होंगे, मेरे creative skill set बहुत अलग होंगे, but we all are creative in every, we all are creative. Just know that, all right? See, in verse 12, the Lord is telling that He is behind every light that illumines our world, that illumines our solar system, all right? He is behind that light, the supreme light. And मैंने आपको बोला था कि वो light जो है ना, that illuminates our solar system, वो completely different है supreme soul की light से, all right? That light is completely different. Literally, it's completely different. That's why we cannot perceive that light with the naked eyes. उसके लिए third eye का vision चाहिए, okay? इसलिए वरना तो it would have been very provident, okay? God consciousness would have been very provident. इतना difficult नहीं होता God consciousness को tap in करने में. That's why, okay? That's why we need a little bit effort, okay? In the next verse, he's telling that permeating the earth, I support all beings with my vital energy, and becoming the moon, I nourish all plants with the life-giving sap. Okay? So he's telling that I am that source who revitalize you, okay? And I am that source who revitalize the plants as well, okay? By being the light that illumines our world, okay? By being the light that comes from the sun and the moon, all right? Now, in the next verse, that is 14, he says that I dwell as the Vaishvanar. I dwell as the Vaishvanar, okay? Vaishvanar kya hai? The digestive fire, all right? In the bodies of the living entities. In union with the Pran, that is inward breath, and Apan, that is the outward breath, okay? I digest the 4 kinds of food during our respiratory process. साथ में digestion भी चलता है, okay? So he's telling कि उसके during that respiratory process, I help you to digest 4 kinds of foods, all right? So by that he means Vaishvanar resides in the bodies of living beings, okay? As warmth. जो हम हमारी बॉडी गर्म रहती है, right? That warmth comes from whom? Comes from the supreme soul's energy, right? And aids in digestion. Help करता है in digestion. This energy is also known as the gastric fire, okay? It is nurtured by the rhythmic inward and outward breaths, okay? तो जैसे ही हम inward breath लेते हैं and outward breath release करते हैं, okay? It is helping us in the digestion process, all right? And the 4 kind of foods भी इन्होंने mention कर रखे हैं, okay? Some are drunk, okay? Some are chewed, some are licked up, and some are sucked, all right? So these kind of 4 foods are mentioned by Shri Krishna, okay? And I am seated in the hearts of all beings. He is there in our hearts, right? He is already seated. I am the source of memory, knowledge and forgetfulness as well. So वो कह रहे हैं कि see, अगर हमारी memory है, mind है, right? Because mind हम कहाँ से लाते हैं? उनसे ही लाते हैं, right? So सी माइंड इज डायरेक्टली अटैच टू आवर हायर सेल्फ. सो माइंड में क्या क्या आ गया, मेमोरी भी आ गई, नॉलेज भी आ गई एंड फॉरगेटफुलनेस. अगर हम कुछ भूल जाते हैं सो इट हैपेंस इन आवर माइंड ओनली, राइट? सो दैट इज टैप्ड इनटू आवर हायर सेल्फ, राइट? सो आई अलोन एम टू बी नोन बाय द वेदास. I am indeed the author of Vedanta as well as the knower of the Vedas. देखो, Vedas उनसे ही originate हुए हैं. He is the origin literally, okay, of the Vedanta as well as the Vedas. That's what he's telling us. Alright? In this world, there are two types of beings, the perishable and the imperishable. All beings are perishable. Okay? Whereas the unchanging, the self, is imperishable. देखो, अब चेंजिंग सेल्फ कौन सा होता है? ये बॉडी, राइट? बिकॉज देखो, आफ्टर 70+ years मे बी मुझे ट्रांजिशन लेना पड़ जाए. ओके, ड्यूरिंग द ट्रांजिशन व्हाट आई विल चेंज? दिस बॉडी, राइट? दिस इज द कॉस्ट्यूम, ओके, दैट आई एम वेयरिंग राइट नाउ. नाउ आफ्टर आई विल चेंज दिस बॉडी, what is that thing that will take transition? The unchanging one, the self, the higher self, right? That originated from the supreme soul as an eternal fragment, right? And what is the name of that eternal fragment that we know as Jiva Atma? That is the living soul. That is the eternal form of my higher self, right? And that higher self drags down, अब साथ में वो क्या क्या ले जाएगी? The memory, the knowledge, the forgetfulness, okay, the mind, right? Because it doesn't have any gender. So with him or her तो हम नहीं बोल सकते. So with itself ही बोलेंगे, all right? Because it's gender neutral. In spirit, see, in spirit we don't have any gender, okay? We all, in spirit, you can say that we all are brothers.